My dear farmers, Namaskara. I am Dr. Kisan Chandra. Today I want to discuss to you about VAM. Although I have put some video in the Hindi, so it is a call from the many farmers. It should be explained in the English also. So seeing your demand, and of course every time I was putting in Hindi English, but this time I put only Hindi. So this is for you. So we are going to provide you VAM. इसमें small pouch. This is a concept. First I will show you how it looks, the pouch. This is the pouch. All instruction is written backside, Hindi and English. You can see. My photo is on there. My name is there. So this is the first time you're getting the VAM which you can multiply in your house up to 5 years. Every year, many lakhs of liter you can multiply. Continuously. Only you have to preserve it. That I am going to discuss. VAM, as we all know, it is two types of VAM. It is Indo and Ecto. One is present in the forest, other is found in our field, in the agriculture, in plain. So this VAM, either it is in irrigated area or non-irrigated, everywhere it is present, and automatically it generates. But when we use chemicals, extra chemicals, I can say imbalance of chemicals, then you are killing this fungus, which is very useful for the soil. So in the market you have seen lot of VAM, mycorrhiza, or name it is present in granule form, in powder form. Everybody is selling it. 4 kg bag, 5 kg bag, 500, 600, 700, 800. And you need two dose, 3 dose per crop, which cost you about 1500, 1600 like that. If quality is good, it is increasing. So what they are doing, they are multiplying in the roots, and that roots cutting it, grinding it, and mixing with the powder form or with the your granule form. One more important thing is there, if that VAM, whatever present in the market, that also contains the base material, that is our seaweed, humic acid, folic acid, all types of enzyme and hormones. So whether that is working or VAM is working, it is not clear in the field. You will come to know later on. But initial state, this your growth promoters, it is working in the field. Earlier it was not there, but once it has came in the FCO, so it has started in a big way, because your plant also needs the root system. So when root system develops, then our VAM enters in the inside, and that forms the symbiosis. Symbiosis means association, means it is taking something from the plant and giving something to the plant. So he is taking the some of the plant from nutrient and for development of his own, and from outside when it makes the network just like a web, just like our your spider web. So on the in the soil, so it takes the nutrition from outside and passes to the plant. That's why plant became healthy, gets more nutrition, and moreover, when it is enters in the roots, it doesn't allow the many of the diseases, soil-borne diseases, just like nematode, even your mites. So, and bacterial disease. This is restricted by the VAM. So it is very useful for the plant, and it also improve the soil. It also give the fertility of the soil. So it's all of multiple work of this, and it is also stabilizing whatever the nutrition present in the soil in the bounded form. It helps to stabilize. So this is the function of the VAM, and that's why many people are using all over India. It is more popular. But what is the difference mine and others, because it doesn't contain any enzyme reaction. It is pure culture, pure mother culture. First time has been done, and this is the only culture you need not require for the soil base to multiply. You can multiply in the gift. That is the one difference. As it is a mother culture, you can keep it and multiply it many times. You are the manufacturer. There you manufacturer is other company and you are using their product. Here you are using the mother culture and multiplying in your field. So you are the real multiplication person, or you can say you are going to make a small mistake. So this is the total process, multiplication process I already told you. So that is the difference in between this packet and another packet. So this one packet you can multiply, you can see all I have given earlier. NWDC, that also you are multiplying. OWDC you are multiplying from last 12, 13 years. So it's all are like that in series. It is also. Benefits of this VAM is many, you have noted, but here it is only one packet. You can multiply, and doses you have to give 50 liters per acre, and that is enough. Maximum you can go for 100 liters per acre. So when you are, it can be used. One main important thing, it cannot be used as a foliar spray. It is used mainly, you can say, it is mainly used with the soil. So soil, this is your drip irrigation, flood irrigation, or seed treatment also you can do. This solution, just you have to spray on the seeds, keep it 1 hour for dry, then use it. Or if you are planting it, small plant, there you can make a root drip for half an hour. So this VAM should be attached with the roots so that it can enter and give the benefits to our plant. So this is the use of method use. So when you are using this continuously, you will see after 2-3 years the changes of soil, and even it will appear in your field. You can see in different colors of the VAM. You see it is many species has been kept inside so that you will get the multiple benefit, because when you are using which area you are using, I am not aware which urea, which super soil, but one thing is sure, it will work all types. So this is the product. First time I am giving you can use it, and this availability you will find any Kisan Sevak. All the Kisan Sevak are all over India. They are themselves is a farmer. Main thing, beauty is they are farmer. They are doing cultivation themselves and using the many product of mine from last 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. So they have belief, and I have also seen their field, how they are using it. So they will give you the material in a very reasonable rate. And second thing, it is formed in the small pot, so it can be available all over India. It will go by your post. The cost of postal will be saved, and a lot of dispute earlier was there. Farmers have, although it has been dispatched by the Kisan Sevak, but it has been not received by the farmers. So that will be solved, because it easily can be dispatched to our any government postal system. So that is spread. We know all, even at the root level at the village, and they are very honest to deliver anything. It may take time, but certainly it will deliver. That is the beauty of our the system. So that we are going to use it. So by Indian Postal, you will get everywhere. You can WhatsApp or you can call best is what's your requirement to your any of the our farmers, Kisan Seva, they will take care. So, and some video I am attaching it, how it looks, how the development of root will be able to see, and because you can see these things in photographs, in the books, everywhere it is all over. But here it is, whatever I am giving you, it is quite different. So I believe you will use it and you will give your feedback, how it is working, how you are getting the results, what is the improvement you are in soil, what is the through video you can give me, or you can upload your video on your channel. So that is also needed for the other farmer who is going to use, and that will help for the different languages to the local. Thank you. ये देखिए आपका वैम है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है। आज करीब 20 दिन हो चुके हैं और ये कलर आ गया है। ये पूरा का पूरा मल्टीप्लाई किया गया। ये कलर दिखाई देगा आपको। तो ये आसानी से पहली बार का टाइम ज़्यादा लेता है, उसके बाद ये आपका कम समय में तैयार होगा। क्योंकि इसमें पंप नहीं चलाया गया, इसको रोटेट नहीं किया गया, इसमें 20 डेज़ लगा। अगर आप रोटेट करते हैं तो इसमें टाइम कम लगेगा।